Hello programmer, I will make a machine learning series from basic to advanced. I will go each and every algorithm of machine learning, and for each algorithm I will take a different data sets to predict or classify the data target class. So basically I will just this is the series where also the one series will become on the deep learning and with the PyTorch and deep learning with the TensorFlow. So that series will be different when I will complete this machine learning series. So now focus on what is machine learning. This is the introduction video to the machine learning. So what is machine learning? Machine learning is ability of machine to learn on its own. So basically that so first of all, we have to keep in mind that machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is like you can say it is the main branch. Inside that there is a machine learning, and inside that there is a deep learning. So I will just elaborate that what do you mean by machine learning. So machine learning learn from their experience. So it there is no any fixed rule, there is no any fixed path. So that if you are just fitting the data set to the model and you are just labeling the data set the target class. So basically if you are an app developer, you can just think that whenever you are just developing any app, so what it is there is a start button, there is some stop button, and there is whenever you will click you will go to the app will start. So there is a fixed criteria, like there is a fixed rule you have to just whenever the start button will click, so that function will implement it. So there is a fixed path, there is a fixed rule. But in machine learning it is totally different. Machine learning works from machine learning learn from experience. There is no fixed path, there is no fixed rule, so you have to follow this rule to achieve this target value. So machine learning only learn from the experience what you are just feeding the data set to a model. So I will go more depth, I will teach various type of algorithm, so then you will be more clear about this. And also that for each algorithm I will give a different data set, and for each data set I will just like if there will data set between a you can say that it will be like cancer prediction or diabetes prediction, or if for a regression problem you can take an House prediction. So this will be the like basics data set on the basic of different type of algorithm. I will just use with the in Anaconda Jupyter. I will just classify this all thing. So now it comes to the classification of machine learning. So machine learning there we can classify as a three type: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Okay, so what do you mean by supervised machine learning? So supervised machine learning in which model trained using a labeled data. Basically it means that whenever you are just training any model, suppose you are taking a linear regression model, I will teach that linear regression, the first algorithm that I will teach you, linear regression. So what do you mean by supervised machine learning algorithm? You are just providing the label data. So you have to be clear what do you mean by features and label. Features are those you are just feeding to a model, that is the input, and output is what? Label or a target, okay, or a class. So these are the main difference between them. So don't be confused in it what do you mean by feature and what do you mean by label. I think it is clear. So in supervised machine learning algorithm, just think that you have the label data, you know that features. If you are just predicting between suppose if you are just classifying different type of fruits, so you know the features. So I will take this example, then you will just clearly understand. So suppose if you want to classify different type of fruits, okay, so their shape, their size, their color, and their taste will be different for each fruit. Suppose you will take a banana and you will take an apple, so their shape will be different, their size will be different, their color will be different, and their also taste will be different. So they are basically the input feature you will feed to machine learning algorithm, okay. And for a output, what you are just you know that this feature of this shape, size, color, taste, and you are just fitting for apple, then you will just label that this feature will be for apple and this feature will be for banana. So basically you know the label of the class whenever you are just training the model to they you are just providing also label, okay. So this is mainly supervised machine learning algorithm. Now I will move to unsupervised machine learning algorithm. So unsupervised machine learning algorithm, we don't fit model a target class. The goal of unsupervised machine learning is to find the structure and pattern from the input data. So you know about in supervised, you know that you have the label data, you know the target class, but in unsupervised you don't know the target class. Suppose if you want to uh, classify between different type of fruits that I have shared previous slide. So in what, in unsupervised machine learning, you are just feeding the model an input feature, like you are just feeding like taste, color, shape and size, but you are not providing any label data. Label data means you are not providing any target. So how the machine learning will learn? So machine learning, the model will just find the pattern between them, they will just group as one. I will go more depth when I will teach you k-mean clustering. This is the unsupervised machine learning algorithm. Okay, so this is the basic example where in unsupervised machine learning algorithm we don't have any target or label class. Machine learning find any pattern to learn this. So this is the unsupervised machine learning, and basically they will group as one. If you want to classify between a banana and apple, what they will do? The similar feature of apple will be as group one, and similar feature of banana will group as a group as one different one. So this is the basic one that the grouping concept will become. Then I will just explain you how it work on k-mean clustering. So basically unsupervised machine learning, you don't have any label data or label target class. So now we will move to reinforcement learning. So reinforcement learning is a feedback based machine learning technique. So it is what, whenever an agent, you can think an agent as a robot or like a self-driving car. So what they learn from the environment, like for positive feedback. So for positive, like if you are good action, it is performing in the environment, then agent gets a positive feedback. And if a bad action, then agent get a negative feedback. So these are the reinforcement learning, and you can take a real example of self-driving car. And since there is no label data, so agent is bound to learn by experience only. So they learn from the experience only. So that's all for this part 1 introduction to machine learning. Now for I will go for part 2, as in I will go in next series. Thank you.